Emily, sweetheart, we should head home now. The rain's getting heavier.
And Mommy loves the rain. She always said it made the roses grow better.
You're right, Pumpkin. Your mom did love the rain. But she wouldn't want you catching a cold. Let's go home and we can talk about her over some hot cocoa, okay?
Can we come back tomorrow?
Of course we can, sweetie. We'll bring fresh roses too.
Dad, look, it's like Mommy saying goodbye.
You're right, That's exactly what it's like. You know, I was thinking, maybe we could give Maria some time off.
Maria? But she makes the best mac and cheese.
She does, doesn't she? But I thought, maybe it'd be nice if it was just us for a while. We could cook together, have movie nights. What do you think?
Like we used to do with Mommy?
Yeah, sweetheart. Just like that.
Can we make Mommy special pancakes?
Absolutely. We'll make them for breakfast tomorrow. With extra chocolate chips, just how she liked them.
Dad, a rainbow. Mommy always said they were magic.
She did, didn't she? Your mom always found the magic in everything. How about we try to do the same? Find a little magic every day.
Promise, for Mommy.